how to turn on parental controls on Instagram. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. Here, go over to the top right corner and tap on the menu. This is the settings and activity page. Now scroll down to the For Family section and go to the Family Center. In Family Center, you can invite your teen to supervision so that you can give them extra support on Instagram. You can set limits on when and how long they can use Instagram. You can also see who your teen is connected to, who they've blocked, and who they have chats with, and many more. Now tap on Get Started at the bottom of the page. Here, you can invite your teen to set up supervision by looking up their profile in the search bar. If you're not following each other, then try sending them an invitation link. Tap on Share Link as shown and then choose their account from here. Then, tap on Send Invitation. Following these steps, you can easily turn on parental controls on Instagram.